Hi, James here. Today I want to talk about Video Creator. And in a moment, I'll give you a tip on how to save thousands on video software if you're still doing it yourself. Now, Video Creator can keep you from spending hundreds, if not thousands, on creating professional videos for your business or promotion. And this is just one of the benefits of Video Creator. As you know, it can be really expensive creating videos to promote your product or service. And I'm not just talking about equipment. Most people can shoot decent videos, shoot with their iPhone. But when you add the editing software and the cost of your time, this tends to go way up. Now, there are great programs for video editing. Most of them are really intro or outro software, and they allow you to trim video, or sometimes just from the outside, or even do simple transitions. When I'm talking about decent software, I mean the Adobe Creative Cloud that can really create some stunning layers. Now, in Adobe Premiere or InDesign or Illustrator, you can create everything from cartoon effects to putting a logo on a mug or a t-shirt, or being able to change that out as well. To have someone design a template or an action for you to do that with multiple products gets very expensive. And there's certainly software out there that will charge you monthly fees just for mock-ups that are usually just still images. Video Creator takes this to a whole new level. Not only can you drop your logo or artwork into moving pictures, you can do it in the actual moving video. It's designed so that your creations come to life with real human actors, or with animation or 3D. Now, you can do everything from explainer videos and whiteboard and e-commerce to mock-ups and slideshows and product promos and logo reveals, all through the same suite. Now, one crazy thing is the amount of first-to-markets that these guys have. The first one is this tracking logo motion tracking video. So you notice the girls on the right, the bags that they have, or this guy is sweeping out something. All that custom logo or lines are customizable, and the text that you can drop in yourself. And if you check it out, it looks 3D. So this is action, and this catches people's eyes. So instead of just still photographs there, you're able to make it look like it's something you custom produced. There's scroll stopper videos, and these are things that will allow people really catch their eye so they'll stop scrolling through their feed. Here's an amazing one. Live action videos featuring human actors. People will look at a human. It catches their eye. We see the shape or form. And with these, you can drop your message in anywhere. It's fully customizable. They also have video editing software as a part of this suite too. But each of these is insane. For each of these, you're looking at hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of production cost. I mean, actors, lighting, equipment, and then painstakingly adding that layer for your logo to drop in and move with that motion. That's incredibly expensive. And when you consider what you'd have to do just to get that shot, much less having to do retakes. Then, if you had something else you wanted to promote, you'd have to set it up all over again in order to do it. With Video Creator, you can simply adjust the logo or input file or your text, and it's done for you in less than 60 seconds. For less, much less than the cost of one video, you can have hundreds of videos at your disposal. And these are all infinitely customizable. Now, let's say you still want to do some of this work yourself, and you want to have the software available. Well, as part of Video Creator, you can have editing software that's still extremely powerful. Some of the other features that are here, not just the all-in-one video maker and the templates, but you can customize, you can upload your own logo. You can have these videos in all dimensions. In addition to that, you have millions of royalty-free images, and that alone is worth the cost. It's an easy-to-use dashboard, full HD resolution. There's a built-in music library, and it's 100% cloud-based. There's also step-by-step training and support that will keep you going. Now, they're doing a launch, so if you are able to get in while it's still this inexpensive, I highly recommend that. So Paul Pona and Sid Dewar are the guys who are behind multiple video apps. Everything from Video Pal and Video Robot to the Avatar Builder and Doodle Maker. So they have dominated 9 blockbuster launches in the past 4 years. It's really just been astonishing. But I want to talk to you about one thing, especially if you're looking at promoting Video Creator. So here they have the front end is the Video Creator commercial license. So you're not having to upgrade for the commercial, you get that already. Now, at the time of this video, it may already have launched. So between $47 and $67 one-time fee for that video creator. Creator Deluxe will allow you to have unlimited amounts of stored videos as well. And then you've got Vid Editor as another upsell or one-time offer. Voice Suite Unlimited for you to be able to put in your voice overs and also to do changes for that. And then Video Player Unlimited, that allowed to host your videos. So these upsells are incredible. Now there's 5 reasons why you should really promote this offer. They got a huge, converting launch funnels that guarantee commissions. I mean, it is astonishing what they've done. 3, these guys really give back to the marketing world and kind of those reciprocal agreements. And hey, if you make it to the leaderboard, you got bragging rights. But more importantly, I think this 5th one is there's massive retargeting campaigns on YouTube and Google and Facebook to re-engage any of the visitors that you've had go to the site and just boost your affiliate commissions. Bottom line, it is a win-win for everyone. Now, as I mentioned before, here's a tip. If you do still want to go with Adobe Creative Cloud, look for a student license. These are much less expensive, and you get access to the whole suite for a lot less. Now, that's whether you're a student or you have a relative or friend that's a student and can help you get that license. Now, my recommendation, check out Video Creator, and you'll find not only a massive amount of video templates, you'll find endless customization, editing software, and amazing high-quality professional videos that can be done without spending years learning complex editing software or paying for high-end software and equipment. Now, if you're marketing anything online, you know video is where you need to be. If you want to pick this up, you can get your copy of Video Creator by clicking in the link in the comments or the description below, or anywhere you see it in this video on the screen here. Just follow that link. If you use our link, we've got a special bonus that will help you get to the page to page 1 of Google and YouTube in 24 hours. Now, I've done this with dozens of videos. This 24-hour ranking system, if you paid for it yourself, is $997. And it's a bonus that we're giving you for free just by using our link. So instead of some 800 different random programs and a bunch of WordPress plugins that you're not going to use, this one you actually will. I've done this on dozens of videos, and it truly works. So be sure and click on the link, and also like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you've had any experience with some of the things I'm talking about, how crazy expensive it is, or the time consumption of video editing. Cheers.